In today's video, I'll be comparing Rabby wallet against Trust wallet to find out which is the best crypto wallet. Now this video is going to cover everything you need to know about both of these wallets, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important details. Now the first thing I'll be comparing these two wallets on is the supported blockchains that they support. If we open up Rabby wallet and go over to more and then scroll down to integrated chains, as you can see they currently support 100 different chains. We can scroll through this list and see all the chains that they support. However, they don't actually have the option to add custom chains. For Trust wallet, we can find the chains that they support up here. And as you can see, they don't have as many as Rabby, but they do have the option to actually add a custom network down here. So this means that we are actually able to add whatever network we want into Trust wallet. So this is definitely an advantage for Trust wallet. And it's also one of the only things I dislike about Rabby wallet. Although Rabby wallet is good and it's nice that they support a lot of blockchains, it would be nice to have the option to add custom networks. So next up is security, and we're going to start with Rabby. As you can see, I'm on Uniswap here, and let's just say that we wanted to make a transaction. When we go to make that transaction, we see this wallet pop up, and it actually has a ton of useful information. They show us simulation results, which is a simulation of what will happen when we do this transaction. And they also give us all of this important information relating to our transaction, and they make it really nice and easy to read. As well as that, they've also got this interacted before section, and as you can see, I have interacted with Uniswap before, so it's not currently giving me a warning. However, if this was my first time interacting with this website, it would actually put a warning on the screen, and that's to alert you that you've never interacted with this before. A lot of people have fake websites where they try and trick you. And since I know that I've traded on Uniswap before, if I went to a fake Uniswap link and made a trade and it told me that I've never interacted with it before, that would be a red flag and that would instantly tell me that I'm on the wrong site. So this is a really nice security feature and it's a really good way of preventing scams and accidental approvals. Whereas if we try and make a transaction with Trust wallet, we get met with this screen, and as you can tell, it is a lot more confusing than Rabby. It basically relies on users to be vigilant and double check transaction details. But some people in crypto do tons of transactions a day and it's hard to keep track of every single one. So I do appreciate Rabby's security features as it shows that they really look out for their customers. So next up is the user interface and user experience. As you can tell with Rabby, it has a really sleek, modern design to it and it's actually really easy to use. At the top we can find all of the wallets that we own. Just underneath that, we can see our portfolio, which when we click on shows us all of the coins we have. And below that, we have all these other buttons which we may need, such as the send button and even this button to see our transactions. Whereas when we look at Trust, in my opinion, it does look nice, but I personally prefer the look of Rabby's a lot more. And one of the main reasons in why I actually use Rabby is because of the user interface and just the way it looks. I really like how it looks and it makes it really easy to do transactions. So in conclusion, which is the better wallet? Now although Trust wallet is a good wallet, in my opinion Rabby wallet is the superior wallet. It's got a really nice user interface that makes it easy to use, and I appreciate all of the extra features that they have. Like when we make a transaction, they make it really easy for us to read, and they also have those security notices. Getting scammed and drained of your wallet is a massive issue in crypto, and Rabby's basically done a massive thing to try and solve this, and I haven't seen any other wallets try and do this yet. So I like the fact that Rabby looks out for its customers. A lot of these older wallets haven't really changed much, and they also don't really listen to user suggestions. However, Rabby's been really good at implementing things that people need, and as I mentioned earlier, it is the superior wallet in my opinion. So if you want to try out Rabby for yourself, I'll actually include an invitation link in the video description down below, and that will allow you to earn some extra Rabby points, because if you weren't aware, the Rabby airdrop will be happening soon. So this has been my video comparing Rabby wallet against Trust wallet, and hopefully this video helped you out. Please comment down below to say it helped you out and like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.